highlight your words, highlight your lines. Yellow is great, red is great, whatever kind of spots, whatever kind of jumps into your face, whatever kind of, stands out. This is your line. This is what you're saying. This is the reason why you're in the scene. You have to memorize, they have to stand out, they have to be important to you. And to kind of send that signal to your brain, highlight everything. Of course, to highlight them, you need to print them out on a sheet of paper. Don't learn your words from your computer or from your cell phone. That is obnoxious for your brain. That is the death of naturality, a spontaneous and natural reaction to your words. Print them out on a sheet of paper so you have them in your hands. You have control over them, because the relationship between your hands, your eyes, and your brain when you're holding something is completely different than just having the screen, the flat screen of your computer. You don't have a relationship with that screen. It's just artificial. The light kind of hits your brain and it causes so many distortions actually that puts you on a different path. It's not good for learning purposes. Print everything out, highlight it, hold it in your hand so you can control it and you have it there every time you need it. Don't look at a screen. Don't read it in columns. Read it as if it was thought by the author on a sheet of paper. That's organic, that's yours. I know some people might say, well, the environment, well, nature, well, the trees. Yeah, guess what? A computer was built out of electronics and technical components and a lot of stuff that is toxic to the environment as well. A sheet of paper is way less toxic and leaves a way smaller footprint, an energetic footprint on planet Earth than building a computer, a laptop, or anything like that. So please, it's not about the environment, it's about art. It's about how you come across. It's about being authentic. You need to hold that text in your hand so you can have it right away. You have it ready whenever you want to look at it. When you're somewhere, when you're reading it at the cafe or in the bar, you want to take some notes, or you're just traveling in your car by train. You need to get it out immediately, not kind of unlock it and wait for electricity, or you kind of need to plug in your cell phone because the battery's down in order to read your lines, which again, it's not healthy for your brain to read those small columns that are placed in a vertical manner. It's not a great way to memorize them. Your brain doesn't actually like that. Sheet of paper, take your notes, highlight it, make it clear so your brain absorbs the information way quicker and way deeper.